Hello. Today I have a 2011 Subaru Outback 2.5 liter engine. I just want to show you the location for the coolant temperature sensor. It's behind the alternator. That one here. You can see that white sensor down there. So you either can remove the alternator, or you can move the manifold, but if you have this tool right here, it's 19 millimeter, you're gonna disconnect this clip right there. You can see the hole. Move this wire a little bit, and then you can stick this one in and lose it. That's the way how I take off the coolant temperature sensor. That'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.